says that the sum of two numbers is 22. That means when I add the two numbers, the answer we get is 22. It says the sum of 3/4 of one of the number and 1/5 of the other number is 11. So from here, let's interpret what is there. The sum of two numbers, you can say let the first number be t. That's the first number. The second number, because the two of them add to give you 22, the second number will be, or therefore the second number, it follows that the second number will be 22 minus t, because it is when I subtract 22 from this first number, that's when I will get the second number. I give you an example. If I say 5 plus 10, two numbers is 15. Assuming I don't know this 5, if I want to get it, I will say 15 minus 10 to give me 5. If I don't know the second one, I'll say 15 minus 5, which is 10. So that is how this 22 minus c came about. Now, the sum of 3/4 of one of the numbers. So let's say 3/4 of one of the number, 3/4 of t. Of means multiplication. 3/4 of this t, and 1/5 of the other, that's plus 1/5 of this other one, that's 22 minus t, is 11, is equals to 11. Find the two numbers. So we have brought out our equation. The first thing we do, this is 4, this is 5, we take the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So we multiply each of the term by the LCM of 4 and 5. So it follows that 3/4t times 20 plus 1/5 into bracket 22 minus t times 20 is equals to 11 times 20. So from here, 4 here 1, 4 in 25, 5 here 1, 5 in 24. So we have 3 times 5, that's 15t. Then I have 4 plus 4 into brackets 22 minus t is equals to 11 times 20, that's 220. So from here, let's expand this. 4 times 22 is 88. 88 minus 4t, 4 times t is 4t. You have 15t here, is equals to 220. So collect like terms. Subtract 88 from both sides. So this is 15 minus 4, 14, that's 11t, is equals to 220 minus 80. 220 minus 88 to give us 132. So this is 132, 11t. Now is equals to 132. Divide both sides by 11. So we have 11t is equals to 132 over 11. So our t is equals to 12. So one of the numbers is 12. Now the second number will be 22 minus 12, which is equals to 10. So therefore the two numbers are 10 and 12. And that's all.